Camera on, everybody. Alright, can you see me, everybody? Sound check, sound check. Can somebody type in the chat that you can see my screen and hear my voice? Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is on the camera today, Michael the FXFreedom, and this is the professional Forex trading course. It took me a few months, everybody, to arrange the OBS settings for the camera. Alright, so never forget, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way, everybody. And also you are going to graduate from this course. Number one, when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, everybody, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Sound check, everybody, can you hear me? Would anybody be so kind and type in the chat that you can hear my voice? And see the Lambo hat? The Lambo hat, can you see it, everybody? Dex is here, alright, give me a second. In the meantime, for questions and homeworks, you have the email contact, everybody, educationfxfreedom@gmail.com, and you have Skype for business lessons and so on and so on and so on. Alright, let me type in the chat, everybody. Alright, can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice, everybody? Can you hear my voice? Settings, OBS, should hear my voice. Sound check, sound check. Yes, we're still in the professional trader course, Forex Trading Week. But I'm going to wait for an answer because somebody's typing, oh, boss, no voice. Boss, no voice. Can you hear me, everybody? Would you be so kind and type in the chat? If you can see the screen and hear my voice. Charts, there you go. Anybody, can you hear my voice? Look at the chat. Okay, I'm going to type in. Good. Anybody, would anybody be... Oh, I can hear Dimitar, very good. Thank you very much, Dimitar. How are you? Alright, so we can move forward, right? Alright. Everybody, before we start, I had two questions yesterday, like, boss, why are you doing all of those workshops? Answer, everybody, because some of you send an email, oh, how can I shorten the learning curve? Okay, everybody, why are we doing these workshops for you? To speed up your process and to shorten your learning curve, alright? Easy answer. Okay, and the next one, everybody, some of you send me an email, oh, in the Forex course 101, we're going to start to learning the Fibonacci's next month. Are you going to give us strategies? And the answer is no. Make sense, everybody? I mean, we're going to talk about building the strategy, alright? But it wouldn't be fair to the students and traders who are going to come to the Fibonacci Mastery and pay the money. Make sense, everybody? This is not for free, alright? So I need to be fair to everybody. It wouldn't be fair. Do we agree, everybody? It wouldn't be fair to give you the free learning traders, the same strategies. Agreed, everybody? But the knowledge is the same, alright? The knowledge you're going to get is the same. Alright, clarifying the answers, let's move forward. Hedge fund trader Dimitar and everybody else, how are you going to make money out of AUD-CAD today? AUD-CAD first. If there are no questions, everybody, type in the chat the currency pair that you are trading, share your idea, long, short, sideways. Boss, are we going to be on the camera? Hopefully yes. I mean, I'm ignorant on the OBS side, right? I mean, this software in here, you know. There is a lot of settings and virtual cameras and... Alright. Ask me anything about the Forex market, but don't ask me about the OBS and streaming and so on and so on and so on. Boss, no class tomorrow. Yes, everybody, this is our last class for this week. Alright, AUD CAD daily chart. How are you going to make pips and money out of this one? Alright, now remember Forex trading week, we're here to learn. This is no trading or investment advice, right? Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So here is the question. We're trying to implement what we have learned so far, alright? So Monday is here, and the next candle is Tuesday, right? Monday, Tuesday, everybody. Most of you, and it's alright, this is how we learn, most of us, we're all the same, you know, we didn't short the market, did we? Monday, Tuesday, right? And then Wednesday comes along, Wednesday, everybody, Wednesday, alright? Counter trend line break on the Wednesday candle. AUD CAD is in a downtrend on the daily, not just the daily. Everybody, here is the question, right? Here is the question. If you didn't short, and of course it's according to the strategy, right? If you didn't short AUD CAD on Wednesday, here is the question to write in a journal, why not? Everybody, who in here didn't short AUD CAD? Type me, I didn't short. Who in here didn't short AUD CAD? Okay. Boss, I didn't short. Why not? Make sense, everybody? So, forget about the Fibonacci's. We're going to learn the Fibonacci's next month, right? But do we agree that the market's making, on the daily chart, do we agree that the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, higher low, higher high, and then lower low? Do we agree, everybody? Boss, teach me how to make money. Here it is. Here it is. Do we agree, everybody, that the market was in a downtrend until the violet rectangle? Do we agree, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or I don't agree. That the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Until the rectangle. Do we agree that the market was in a downtrend? Make sense? And everybody, if you have an institution or you are planning to open a hedge fund or you are running an institution and your traders are not making it, send me an email, call me on Skype, we have to talk. Alright? Not just for retail traders, some institutions have issues with traders right now. Okay, the market changed a little bit, right? Difficult market. Clark, can you draw a counter trend line on 2 candles only? It depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no, Dimitar. Clara says yes, I agree. Dimitar, yes, I do. Hello, Ara, how are you? Alright. Alright? Then, if we agreed that the market was in a downtrend, and then we agreed that the market was in a retracement, right? Bosch, teach me how to make money. Why didn't you put just an example on the currency pair? Do we agree, everybody, that if we would put a counter trendline break on the rectangle, and do we agree that once the market broke the counter trend line, circle, circle, the market also made a lower low? Everybody, do we agree that this candle, it's not a formed low, but this candle is lower than this low? Do we agree, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree. Type in the chat, no, I don't agree. Boss, do you have the Easter sale still? Yes, until tomorrow, everybody. 50% discount if you want. Alright? And again, you know, some angry why are you showing all these workshops? To speed up your process, to shorten your learning curve, everybody. Make sense? I got an angry trader, you know, why are you doing this? To speed up your process. You know, where is the not this one, where is the slides, everybody? Slides. See in here, next level number 1, if you want quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the market. Alright? Not personal. If you want quicker results, speed up the process, the learning curve. Alright. And remember, everybody, talking about, I have countless conversations. You must understand something from this Forex course, Professional Trading Course 101. This Forex course, it's for free. It's a filter. Make sense? Make sense? For you is for free. Say thank you to Dukascope Investment Bank. Send them an email. But this Forex course 101, it's a filter. Make sense? Me, I'm looking for traders. And this is a filter, everybody. Make sense? Alright, Dimitar says yes. Talking about the chart. Alright, so boss, teach me how to make money. If we agree that AUD CAT, just an example, was making lower lows, lower highs, and then we agree that AUD CAT on the daily chart, time frame, just an example, was in a retracement, and then we also agree that the market made a lower low in the end. So talking about the rectangle, circle, circle, the market was moving down compared to this low. Do we agree that we could enter this counter trend line break with confidence? Everybody, do we agree that we could enter the market with confidence? Boss, what do you mean with confidence? The market is continuing, right? And look in here, support, resistance, pivot points, right? Didn't the market retrace to past resistance? Hello Julius, how are you? Everybody, didn't the market retrace to past resistance, which is an area, it's not aligned to the pip? Boss, you're on camera! Hopefully, if OBS doesn't crash tomorrow, you know, do we agree that market retraced to past resistance, which is an area, right? And it's in comparing those two circles, the market went down, right? And we could be shortening the counter trend line. Yes, alright. And if I miss the first one, I could wait and wait, right? And the market's going down, and then the market retraced again. So I had an entry on this counter trend line break. So maybe not the first one, right? Because we got scared here, right? This is, you know, not that easy. Let me see the settings. Exit screen, settings, charts, general. All right, settings all good. So maybe not this one, right, everybody? Because we get scared, we don't have you know, oh, is the market going to push back up, you know, or is going to go down? But on the next one, this is a clear indication, you know, this level compared to this level, the market's pushing down. So I had one entry to make money, you know, boss, teach me how to make money. Then the market went up and down and down and up and down. And now here is the bullish candle, and now here is another kind of bullish candle, and now we have the counter trend line. So this week, Monday was white, the white candle, Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, right? Yesterday close. So boss, teach me how to make money. Why didn't you enter in here? You're on a demo account, right? Boss, I'm scared. I agree with you, I feel you, but you are on a demo account with purpose, right? You can burn thousands of demo accounts, everybody. Okay? So, you must have courage to enter. Agreed, everybody? You know? What does it take to make money in the beginning? Courage, right? So, golden nugget for you today, everybody. Have courage. Have courage to enter the market. You are on the demo, so you don't need to freak out. Make sense, everybody? Do we agree, everybody, that those setups based on what we have learned so far make sense? Take a screenshot of this and tell yourself, I need to have courage, I need to have courage, I need to have courage. There is a setup, I'm scared, you know, I'm going to lose. I need to have courage. Make sense, everybody? And because today is the last day of the week, advanced golden nugget. This is for Julius, Sheila, Clara, and everybody else. Allah, who are in the workshops and the advanced institutional course. Advanced golden nugget. Every single time that there is a setup according to your strategy and you didn't enter, you are guilty of a trader's error. You just left money on the table. Boss, can I work with you? You better learn, everybody. You know, and Julius knows. Advanced golden nugget, here you go. Not for beginners, this is for the advanced traders. Every single time that there is a setup, you had two setups. According to your strategy, fair enough, according to your strategy. And you didn't enter because you were doubting yourself, doubting the strategy, doubting the knowledge, doubting the boss, doubting the broker, doubting your cat or dog, you know, doubting God. You didn't enter. You are guilty of a trader's error. Make sense, everybody? Pat yourself on the back, it's alright. This is how we learn. But this is, you know, when you work in an institution, alright, Somebody is going to call you and is going to say, John, why didn't you enter the market? Make sense, everybody? What are you going to tell to the manager? The manager or the head of trading or your supervisor is going to call you and is going to say, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Dimitar, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, and everybody else online. Why didn't you enter in here first circle, and why didn't you enter here in the second circle? What are you going to tell him or her? There is only one answer that can defend yourself. What is the answer? Julie is saying thanks for the Fibonacci lessons for last year. You're welcome. Why the workshop? Everybody, we're going to spend 3 months on the Fibonacci's, alright? The workshop is only one, it's comprised, it's only 1 week. Boss, teach me how to make money. If you don't enter, you didn't enter twice on the setup. Remember, AFDCAT is just an example. The daily chart is just an example. Check, everybody, how many times you have setups and you don't enter. Fair enough? Boss, I'm scared. Me too. Me too, everybody, makes sense? But if you're an institutional trader, what is the reality of this business? I'm going to tell you what is the reality of this business. If you don't, okay, so you are a junior trader, they are grooming you, you have the manager, you have the supervisor, whatever might be the case, but in a matter of 6 months, if you don't enter, it's going to be first warning, second warning, third warning, you are fired, everybody. Make sense? Boss, but I'm a beginner trader. Okay, this is not for beginners, right? If you are fresh, new, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whatever. But some of you are here for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and are still not making it. Fair enough? I know some of you. Fair enough? You must understand as a retail trader how would be an institutional life. They would fire you. I fired some traders. Make sense, everybody? Where is the paper, whatever may be the case? So we give you the strategy. We give you the strategy and you are on a payroll. You have the salary and you didn't enter the market, and you didn't enter the market, and you didn't enter the market. Make sense, everybody? You are going to get fired. Make sense? You must produce, right? This profession, this job is no different than any other professions, believe me. No different. If you are selling cars and if you are on a payroll and you didn't sell a car in 2 months, you are most likely get fired. Agreed, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree, So, take a screenshot, photo, okay, type in the chat, done. Golden Nugget, have courage to enter the market, you are on a demo, so you don't need to freak out. Advanced Golden Nugget, every single time that there is a setup, according to your strategy, and you didn't enter, you are guilty of a trader's error. You just left money on the table. Boss, what does this mean? You didn't make any money. Make sense? And this is fair. Agreed, everybody? Alright, any other currency pairs do you want to check? There is no right or wrong. Not just AFDCAD, not just daily chart. Could be GBP JPY 4-hour chart, could be USD CAD 15-minute chart, could be whatever. Whatever. Alright, everybody? Alright, so next one, this is AUD CAT. Let's see how the GBP JPY from Monday, right? And GBP JPY, one is long, still losing, shorting AUD JPY, shorting the market. From yesterday, let's check AUD JPY. AUD JPY, AUD JPY. Let's open the chart. Everybody, do you have your chart set up and ready for trading? Type in the chat, yes or no. Do you have your chart set up and ready for trading? Meaning, do you have the trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, market waves, short-term trends? Do you have it, everybody? This is from yesterday, Clara, long, short, buy or sell. So we are still here, right? This is the stop loss, this is the take profit. And next one, AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, we talked about yesterday. Clara says yes. AUD NZD. Somebody is asking, boss, is this true that institutional traders have problems too? Absolutely. Absolutely. This is not for beginner traders talk, everybody, but I don't even know how to tell you. Some people are doing easy and good and well with managing $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 or euros, and the same trader trading the same market, trading the same strategy, is going to freeze when he's going to manage 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. I've seen this a lot. And it's getting worse. This is why I'm calling out institutional traders. If you are running an institution, hedge fund, broker, whatever, and your traders are not making it, call me on Skype or send me an email. Okay, I can help you. Make sense, everybody? Yes, you have my charts ready for trading. Allah says yes. Alright. Alright. AUD NZD daily chart. What's the plan? Everybody, are you going to go long after this counter trend line break? Counter trend line break? Let's make a poll. Are you going to go long after this counter trend line break, everybody? Or are you going to go short after this counter trend line break? Analyze, everybody, analyze AUD NZD by yourself and tell me, are you going to buy this market after the counter trend line break, or are you going to sell this market after the counter trend line break? What's the plan? There is no right or wrong, don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. And back talking about AUD CAT, everybody, can you do this? Boss, I'm scared. Confidence takes time. Today it's golden nugget day, everybody. Golden nugget day. Golden nugget. Golden nugget. Golden nugget. Confidence. Confidence takes time until you have enough experience. You must use courage. Boss, I'm afraid of losing money. I understand. We've all been there. We've all been there. everybody. Golden nugget. Boss, I'm scared. I understand. Teach me how to trade with confidence. Confidence takes time. Until you have enough experience. Confidence takes time until you have enough experience. You must use courage. Boss, what if I don't use courage? What's the answer? Today it's Thursday. It's called the truth. The truth. Right? Let's talk about the truth. Yeah, the truth. If I don't use courage, then what? What's the answer, everybody? If I don't use courage, then what? Boss, I'm scared. I understand. Confidence takes time. Until you have enough experience, you must use courage. But I'm not going to use courage. I'm afraid. If you don't use courage, then what? What's the answer? Julius, you know the answer. Clara knows the answer too. What's the answer? Dimitar, sell the market. We're in a down structure and a downtrend. Thank you very much. Everybody, if you don't use courage, and not in a, and I'm saying, no, I'm not telling you to do something stupid. Use the knowledge. But I'm receiving countless emails, boss, teaching me how to make money, but you are not entering. Make sense? You are not doing the tasks. You are not doing the homeworks. This is beginner traders talk. You are staring at charts, but you are not taking any actions. Shola, sir, can we be skilled as scalper, position trader, and swing trader? No. No, you can't. You cannot be all, everything, and anything. Make sense, everybody? It doesn't work. You have tons of bullshit videos on YouTube, and I'm on the screen. You can call me out anytime you want. There are tons of bullshit videos on YouTube that, yes, you can be a scalper and a day trader and a swing trader. No, it doesn't work. You can put a scalper trade, you can put a position trade, you can put a swing trader trade, but end of the year, no money for you. Does this make sense, Shola? It's not that you cannot do, it doesn't work. And by the way, this is what you are going to learn with the angry trader. Why are you doing this? This is what you are going to learn April 22. How to build a strategy that works for you. Okay? And Shola, you asked a great question. Can I be a scalper and a day trader and a swing trader? Nope. You can't. Make sense, everybody? You can have fun, occasionally. Example, you are going to listen to education. Let's say that you are a scalper, right? Just an example. You can have fun time to time and put a swing trade and you put a position trade time to time, but you are also aware that you are having fun. You are trying, oh, let's have fun here, or this is the setup. Make sense? Boss, why not? Because you don't see the books, but science says, not Simon says, science says, we as human beings, we are predominantly something. Make sense, everybody? As a personality, you are, me too, we are all the same. We are predominantly a scalper, or predominantly a position trader, or predominantly a swing trader. We are not all the same. Type in the chat, it makes sense. I don't need you to agree. Type in the chat, it makes sense, or type in chat, no, It doesn't make sense. I am going to be a scalper and a position trader, you know. Alright? Be aware of what you watch on YouTube, everybody. 90% to 95% it's pure BS. I'm here to tell you. Doesn't work. Alright? Julius, sell AUDNSD. Alright, let's move to the next one. The truth, if you don't use courage, then what? Then no money. But I'm on a demo, still the same, no money for you. Make sense, everybody? You need to look at the golden nugget. Confidence takes time. So if you don't enter the market and you don't enter the market and you don't enter the market, how are you going to get the experience? It's impossible, exactly. I mean, this is common sense, right? It's common sense. I'm John and I'm watching YouTube videos for 6 months and I'm just analyzing charts, right? Just the Fibonacci and the trend line, and I'm studying the charts and but no action. You know, I'm not learning really, you know. No entry, no stop loss, no take profit. Make sense, everybody? This is common sense. Right? Same story as you are learning how to drive the car, or riding a bicycle, or swimming, for what matters. You know? You are watching videos and you are doing the theory of swimming, you know how to swim on the dry floor. Until you jump in the swimming pool, which would be the experience, no experience. Until you sit in the car, you know, and put your foot on the gas and the clutch and everything, no experience driving the car. I mean, this is common sense, right? And in the markets, if you don't have courage, no money. And this is the truth. Alright, everybody, next one. Next one, AUD JPY, AUD USD. Which one we didn't check a lot? USD CHF, wow. Do you have any questions, everybody? About technical nature or emotional, psychological nature? Let's see USD CHF. USD CHF 4-hour chart. How are you going to make pips and money out of, everybody, how are you going to make pips and money out of USD CHF 4-hour chart? What's the plan? Should you sell? Should you buy? Alright, what did we learn so far? What did we learn so far? Okay, so daily out, weekly out, 1 hour out. Alright. Monthly chart first. USD CHF, similarly to Euro GBP, similarly to AUD NZD, it's locked in consolidation. We have different, if you ask me, of course, we have different layers. We have different layers of consolidation. All right. Now this is the monthly. Now we're going to clone the chart and go on the weekly, and we're going to clone the chart. And we're going to go on the daily, and from the daily we are going to draw a downtrend line, something like this, and from the daily we are going to draw the market wave, extension, retracement, and extension. So far we are going to color code, transparency, and now finally we are going to clone the chart, and we are going to go on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, and together this from the daily, And from the 4-hour chart, do we agree, everybody, that the market was making higher highs, higher lows, and then it changed, lower low, lower high, lower low? Do we agree that we are in a down market wave? Do we agree that we are in a short-term downtrend? So far, the red one, the market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, consolidation, and then back down. Do we agree that give me a second, so this one, Fibonacci, I don't have it. Do we agree that we are circle, we are in a alright, give me a second. Black and background color, there you go. Not this one, where is the circle? Do we agree that we are in a downtrend? Oh, this is the circle. So one more time. Foreground, background. Do we agree that we're in a downtrend? Boss, what about indicators? They work or not? Jackie, we're going to thank you for the question. It's a great question. They work. We're going to learn about indicators. Alright? In the future they work, but you must learn and understand how they work. Alright, everybody? So yes, indicators do work, but you must understand how they work. Alright? Yes, indicators work. Indicators work with the premise that you understand how, right? How were they built? How are they built? Okay, meaning what are they measuring? Thank you for the great question, Jackie. Alright, yes, indicators work, everybody, with the premise that you understand how they work, how they were built, meaning what are they measuring. Dimitar, yes, we're in a down structure and downtrend. So what's the plan? What's the plan for tomorrow? What's the plan for today? What's the plan for tomorrow? Everybody, what's the plan? Do you want to buy or sell? So here's the question. What's the time? Alright, 10 more minutes. What's the plan? What's the plan? Buy or sell? What setup? What pattern? Where the stop loss and take profit, everybody, take profit. What's the plan? Buy or sell? What setup? What pattern? Where is the stop loss and take profit? Let's make a poll, everybody. I would wait for a retracement and then sell the counter trendline break. Wow, very good. Very good. Everybody, so Dimitar's plan makes sense. He's going to wait for the retracement. Alright, he's going to wait for the retracement on the 4-hour chart. Thanks, boss, you're welcome. Dimitar is going to wait for a retracement on the 4-hour chart, everybody. 7 times out of 10 the retracement is going to come to some level of past resistance. Alright, and then Dimitar is going to wait for the counter trendline break, and then he's going to short the market. Alright, can you do this? before you short the market, everybody, you are going to put the stop loss on the pattern traded. And just an example, and this is the skill. Practice, 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 practice. This is the skill. Alright? Before I'm going to short the market, this is one. I'm going to risk 2. Clone, clone. Alright? Now, my take profit is at what number? I'm going to profit take at 0.868. 868, everybody. 0.868. 0.868. 0.868 something. Alright? Now, what can you see from the monthly perspective? Boss, teach me how to make money. Some of you, and I know some of you, you are not analyzing the multiple time frames. Okay? I know some of you, we are friends, right? We are friends, but after 2 years, you are still just on the 1 hour and the daily. You are still on the 15-minute chart and the 4-hour chart and the daily. So you are still not checking the monthly and the weekly. Okay, everybody? You know who I'm talking to? Alright? This is a learnable skill, but you must do it. Agreed? Practice, 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 practice. You know, and on Skype we have different groups, everybody. You can talk to, you can clearly see the traders who are moving forward, and you can clearly see the traders who are not moving forward. What's the difference? The traders who are moving forward are doing the things that they are learning. The others are not. It's that simple. The take profit is beyond the monthly band, so we should probably use the monthly band as take profit. It's an idea, very good. What else can you do? You can say, alright, I'm going to... alright, so... Now this is you losing money, everybody. As an advanced trader, you're going to like this. This is you losing money. As an advanced trader, what? When something like this happens, what do you think the trader is going to do? Number one, shorten the stop loss in order to capture risk reward 1/2. Number two, shorten the risk reward to 1/1.5 or 1/1. Let's have fun, everybody. Let's have fun today. Advanced traders, you've analyzed the charts and you're a good analyst. Very good. You spot an entry. You have a plan that is easy to understand, easy to obey, easy to execute. Good job. But then you see that your take profit, it's below the strong pivot point, strong consolidation. Okay? So when this happens, you know that the market is going to fall 7 times out of 10. You want to make some money. What do you think? Let's make a poll. What the trader is going to do? Do you think the trader is going to shorten the stop loss in order to capture a risk reward 1 per 2. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to change the stop loss from the red to green. Or is the trader going to shorten the risk reward ratio, which is I'm going to leave the stop loss up in here and I'm going to do something like this. I'm so curious, everybody, which one is going to be? Shorten risk reward. Number 2, anybody else? Anybody else? There is no right or wrong, everybody. Don't be shy, don't be scared. There is no right or wrong. What are most of the traders, me too back in time, what are most of the traders going to do? And one more time, don't write, oh, I know what I should do. Type what you are doing. Shola number 2. Shola shorten. Number 2. Anybody else? Hedge fund trader Jackie, what are you going to do? Number 1 or number 2? Hedge fund trader Julius, what are you going to do? Hedge fund trader Ala, what are you going to do? Number 1 or number 2? Hedge fund trader Broto, no trade. No. You must enter the market. Broto, if you are not going to enter, I'm going to call in the office. Broto, come to the office. Why didn't you enter in here? This market is going to fall 7 times out of 10. We know it. 7 times out of 10. We have a plan. What are you going to do? Everybody, what did they learn about the mind of the trader? And me too, right, back in time, when we are going to learn about the Fibonacci's, our biggest problem with the Fibonacci is going to be risk-reward ratio. Alright? Our biggest issue trading the Fibonacci is going to be the risk-reward ratio. Education says stop loss must go above the A. Alright? And you are going to see the Fibonacci. So this is not the correct example. Down, whoops, down in here, down in here, down in here. So if I put the stop loss in the correct place, everybody, and if I look at the Fibonacci extension, okay, my risk is bigger than my reward. Make sense? And 90% of traders, me too, 20 years ago, we are adjusting the stop loss in the wrong place just to capture the pips. Alright? So all of you typed the correct answer, but I know, boss, you have the crystal ball. I do. I have the crystal ball and I know exactly how you think and feel. And you are not going to shorten the risk reward. I'm sorry to tell you, you are going to mess with the stop loss. Don't tell me no, I know some of you. Fair enough? I don't have a crystal ball about the market, but I do have a crystal ball about the trader. How you think, how you feel, how you process information. You are not going to shorten the risk, you are going to shorten the stop loss 7 times out of 10. Alright everybody, this was our last lesson this week. Happy Easter, see you back on Monday with the camera, hopefully. Alright, until Monday, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom.